Here we are making, what are we making, Austin?
Pina Coladas.
No.
What?
Wrong. The best pina colada in the world is what we're making.
Up. Stop and get over here.
Oh, wait a minute. I forgot my Hawaiian shirt. Crap. Hang on. I gotta get my Hawaiian shirt on. We're doing pina coladas. Now I got my Hawaiian shirt on, so we're ready for business.
Shut up and get to it.
Hey,
listen
now.
Our pina colada's a Puerto Rican thing.
Don't let me hit you in the butt with the blender.
I don't have any underwear on. Leave me alone.
Alright, guys. We're gonna make a quarantine pina colada.
Sure.
The best quarantine pina colada. So anyways, Baked Bar of Steel. Go online. Read this off, Austin. What does that say? Hold it up for the camera.
Coco Lopez.
That is the secret ingredient. Hold it up in the light so somebody can see it. Back up. There you go. Okay, Coco Lopez. That is the super secret ingredient. So we're going to make a kiddo style first, then we're going to make a grown-up style.
What? I don't make no grown-up style? I'm just kidding.
Yeah, right. Dreaming on. I'll probably just make one. Obviously, you can just add a little bit of booze on it. So anyways, we need Coco Lopez, some kind of pineapple, and you're standing in front of the camera, dude. And coconut milk. We tried this. It kind of gives it a waxy taste. So Coco Lopez, that is where it's at. And we've made these things, and everybody says they're the best you can make, even better than the bartender, even better than people charging you.
Hold on, you're just flattering yourself now.
No, I'm not.
You are.
I'm not.
You are.
Believe me, dude. We used to have a bar in the family. This is as good as it gets, pina colada wise. And you need a little bit of Rosie's sweet lime, just a splash. So, okay. And if you're doing a grown-up version, let's pull this back for right now. If you're doing a grown-up version, Kraken rum has a nice flavor to it.
You should probably, okay.
It's not a super white one, so it'll have a little bit of a little brownish tinge. But if you want a really good, clear, bright white one, the coconut in the Bacardi is nice.
That or pineapple.
Yeah, I tried them both. The coconut tastes better. But this one, it has a deeper, richer flavor because of the spices. And you get the nice little finger holds. So my personal favorite is I like the Kraken. More complex flavor. And this is the last ingredient, the master of mixes. And I don't know what's in this, but just a little splash, like 1 ounce in here. You don't need it in a classic, pina colada recipe, but this tastes so damn good. Just add 1 ounce in there. So this, that, and some pineapple juice, and pineapple slices, and a little extra pineapple juice to throw in, and Rosie's. So those are the main ingredients right there, right? Okay. So you want to get the ice, Austin? Oh yeah. What do you think of my quarantine haircut?
Is that enough ice, or do you want more?
That's perfect. Okay. So we're gonna throw about a shot's worth of this in there. That's right about there. And this is the kiddo version first, so no booze in this. Just a teeny little splash of Rosie's. And
don't put the juice in there.
No, you have to put the juice in first.
Why did you put the juice in?
I'm going to explain that right now. Okay. Now here's the trick to making a really good one. Is you only put in about half of your pineapple chunks first. Not all of them. Just throw about half in there.
Half?
Yeah, no, I got more. And then about 2 good scoops of the good old Coco Lopez here.
Just need to be 1 coconut.
You really can't use too much of this stuff. It's good.
No, that's gonna be 1 coconut.
Okay.
Isn't pina colada supposed to
need a little extra juice here.
Damn it.
Get one of these little pineapple juice things.
Isn't a pina colada supposed to be more on the pineapple side?
It doesn't matter.
That's it?
That's it. No booze.
Well, obviously, but that's it.
And we start off with a little bit of a pulse. See, if you make it too thick, it does that. We can probably edit this this part out, right?
Yeah. That doesn't look like a Pina Colada.
No, it does. It's just too thick.
Don't.
That's why you need more juice. And you shake it. You're blocking my camera view, man. That's about as thick as they get right there.
I prefer frosty.
Okay. You're standing in front of the camera.
Well, I'm sorry. Here, let me flip the camera over. Oh shit.
What are you doing, dude?
Well, I'm sorry.
Well, just stand over to the other side. Wait. You're gonna get a big mess. We don't want it all coming down at once. Has to just stand back in the middle of the kitchen. There you go. Quarantine boredom. Alright.
I don't want to see your armpits, okay?
Armpits.
What do you think you're doing? Give me that. Give me that.
Wait a minute.
Ow! Ow!
Why'd you stick your finger under there for, you dummy?
I didn't stick my finger on there. You pushed it right on the
I was
blade.
smashing, I'm tapping the jar down and you stick your finger right underneath it.
No, I didn't. I hit it with the... Come on.
Alright, there you go. No banging on the glass.
Well, obviously.
You do not, that is
That's
super
a fragile glass.
Wait a minute. I'm just going to turn it around for you.
Better food.
Put it in front of the camera. There we go. Now it's done. Okay, now that we have Junior gone, this is basically the little bullet blender that comes with the Ninja. It's filled up to about the max liquid level with ice. So, let's try this again. About a shot's worth of this. And then on mine, this is the adult version. So you take a good little, yeah. Well, it's quarantine time, what the hell. Okay. Probably about 2 shots worth of the Kraken. A little splash of Rosies. Oh, I forgot to throw the rest of his pineapple in. That's why he was complaining. Okay, so you throw about 5 or 6 chunks of pineapple in. And you blend it with that. Throw some juice in there. Just need more. And then the super secret ingredient here, the Coco Lopez. About 2 of those. Okay, and yep, that's it. Throw the lid on. Give it a little shake. Start out on pulse. Then you go low. If you have a smoothie button, this is good because it turns it on, shuts it off, turns it on, shuts it off. So hit the smoothie. Okay, 2 last tips. Once that's done blending, get yourself a nice frosted mug, pull it out of the freezer, makes it really better. And the last little secret here is this. This is mostly ready to pour, but grab another 5 or 6 chunks of the pineapple. This is what makes it really good. Throw that in at the very last minute and don't blend it anymore, just hit pulse. So it's already blended. We throw in the 5 or 6 extra chunks of pineapple, shake it up, throw it in here, and all you want to do is hit pulse. times. Give it a shake. And you're done. That's it. That way it kind of has a little something to chew. And there we go. Oop, little splash. And stick your straw in there. There you go, guys. A quarantine pina colada. And damn, they are good. Follow that, you'll get a rockin' pina colada, I promise you. Bye, guys. See you later.
This sucks.
You lie.
I am not lying. Okay.
You lie.
Okay. Grab one and taste it. Grab one and taste it.
How does it taste? Tastes perfectly fine.
It does not. It tastes like a coconut.
What's supposed to taste like coconut, you twit?
It's supposed to taste like pineapple.
Nah, coconut's got more power.
The coconut.
I put in
overpowered by the pineapple.
I put in plenty of pineapple juice. Well, that's the Coco Lopez. It's got like crazy coconut power. It just doesn't taste as good without the booze, is the bottom line there, buddy. Hey. Well, I was going to load you back in. Alright, move on.
Goodbye.
Bye.